In this tutorial you will learn how to view approved orders.
Step 1. Click on Orders link on Seller dashboard. Step 2. Click on Approved Ready for Shipping. The products, which are approved by widerwings for pickup, are listed under this link. Here, the product invoice and shipping invoice can be print, and packing status can be changed. Step 3. Click on View button to get bill and shipping invoice.
Step 4. Click on Print button to take print out of invoice and shipping bill.
Step 5. Click on Back button to change packing status. Step 6. Change the packing status by clicking on Not Packed button to Packed after packing it.